Welcome to another Vahrenberg Implement Product Informational Series video. Today we got something really interesting to show you and talk about. Say you just bought a new tractor or a new to you tractor and it has Euro quick attach. And man, you've already got a whole bunch of skid steer implements. What can I do to not have to buy a whole nother set of implements? Well, ALO Quicke, which is the original implement supplier to the Massey Ferguson loader brand and the Quicke loaders, offers a converter. This is a Euro to skid steer converter, and today we're going to show you how simple it is to take the bucket off, put the converter on, and go over here to our bale spear that is a skid steer quick attach. This is the ISO skid steer quick attach. The back plate on here is skid steer quick attach. All you have to do is visit your local ALO Quicke dealer and they can get you one of these converters. It's a snap, and this is the world's easiest quick attach system, the Euro quick attach. Just pull that lever and it's going to unlatch. So we're going to drop the bucket off here real quick and show you how quick and simple and easy it is to put the converter on and then get your bale spear hooked up. We're going to jump in here in this beautiful Global Series tractor from Massey Ferguson, get our park brake down here, and we're going to go get that bucket, that converter. Drop this bucket off. We've moved the latch now. Now we just need to move the tractor forward. Put our power shuttle in gear. We'll move up here. Just move to the side. Lower our bucket down, and it's off. Just hit our power shuttle back. Now the easiest thing to do is roll your tool carrier all the way down like that. When you're hooking up implements, when you have your tool carrier all the way down, get some rain off the window here, it's raining, is to turn your tool carrier all the way down so you can see through those holes that are in that tool carrier. That's going to make life so much easier. And then what you do is you put those hooks in that tool carrier right in the spots down there. Just go down like that. Got that side. We got this side. We're going to raise up and roll back. And roll back, and the bottom will automatically snap attach. We'll get out and check it here just to make sure. Notice it on this new FL Series Smart Loader. This pin is in, this is latched, and our tool carrier is latched. Get a little dirt off the front there. But when you roll this back, it automatically snaps this and drives those two pins right there through. You can see that pin right here. That's in that latch of that business. That's the cool part of a Euro quick attach system. We have our converter on. We just need to back up, and we're going to go to this pallet forks over here. And we're going to connect the pallet forks to a Euro quick attach loader with the skid steer converter. Get lined out here. Man, this power shuttle sure makes it a breeze in this Massey Ferguson Global Series. Especially in our little tight spaces here. We've got a lot of equipment here at Vahrenberg Implement. Now there's not as much secret on a skid steer, because it's not as simple as easy to see as that Euro, but you can see down there. Kind of got to get our brackets out. They'll get a little bit lower. Pull forward here just a smidgen. Think we got her. Now we need to jump out and tighten both of those, or lock those levers. Put it in park. We'll jump up here. You can see that we've got it good and set. And they got a lot of spring tension on those, so we got our pallet forks on our ALO Quicke Attach system with the ALO converter here. Now you can use different quick attach systems with the same tractor. You don't have to worry now if you buy a new tractor and it has ALO Quicke Attach on it. You can get this converter from ALO Quicke to convert between skid steer and ALO Quicke Attach. Allows you to use skid steer implements or your Euro implements without having to buy two complete sets. It's heavy duty, it's heavy built. It's from ALO Quicke, the original manufacturer of ALO Quicke loaders and most Massey Ferguson loaders. If you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your West Central Missouri Massey Ferguson ALO Quicke and RhinoAG dealer. We're located right here on Business 13 and Missouri 13 Highway, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, about 49 miles from the Missouri-Kansas line. We have a wide array of equipment from tractors to hay tools to rotary cutters and more. We would like to come earn your business and teach you and show you how to get more out of your hard-earned dollar and investment. Be sure, if you like this video, to like, share, subscribe. If you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us or visit us at Vahrenberg.com or find your local ALO Quicke dealer. Most RhinoAG dealers will be your ALO Quicke dealer. Thank you for tuning in to another informational series video. Enjoy tractors and enjoy your time and get more, do more at Vahrenberg Implement.